Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if the Universal Unique Identifier or UUID type is not supported. So you will get a little pop-up saying that the group policy client service failed to sign in. The Universal Unique Identifier, and then parentheses UUID, type is not supported. This usually occurs because the remote procedure call service is already established before the service isolation. And as a result of this, the WinLogon application can no longer connect to the group policy service. So we're going to have to go ahead and open up the registry here. So start off by opening up the search menu, type in regedit. Best results should come back with registry editor. Right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest you create a backup of it. So if anything were to go wrong, you could easily restore it back. In order to create a backup, it's very simple. All you have to do is select the File tab up at the top left and select Export. File name, I recommend naming it the date in which you're making the backup. Set export range to all, and then save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on your computer. And if you ever needed to import it back in, all you would have to do is select File and then Import, and then navigate to the file location. So now that that is done, we're ready to begin. And we're going to start off by double-clicking on the HK local machine folder. Do the same thing now for the system folder. Go down to current control set and double-click on that. Should be a services folder, double click on it. And then finally go down to GPSVC right here and just left click on that folder one time. Now you want to right click on the GPSVC folder, select where it says permissions, select the advanced button, versus owner, click the change button next to that. And then you want to select the advanced button right here, select find now, and then you want to locate your username on this list below here, and then select OK. Select OK again. Replace owner on subcontainers and objects. Check mark that. Select Apply and OK. Select OK again. And now you want to restart your computer at this time. And there you go, guys. Hopefully that was a pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.